Hello students, today we will discuss about the some basic formula used in trigonometry. So these formulas also discuss in mathematics, but for solving physics problem these formulas are very important. So first formula is sin A plus B. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Remember this formula according to physics. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Now second formula is sin A minus B. So sin A minus B means its formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So for remembering of these two formula combined written like this: sin A plus minus B equal to sin A cos B. If we take plus sign, then we use plus. If we take minus sign, then we use minus. So these combined formula written as sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B. Similarly, we take another formula. Formula is third, cos A plus B. So cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B. Here plus, इधर here minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Similarly, if we take cos A minus B, so cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B. Here minus, here plus, plus sin A sin B. So these two formula combinedly written as cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B. Here plus, here minus, here plus, just opposite, sin A sin B. Okay guys, note these all formulas by taking a screening or pause. Now we also calculate some other formulas with the help of these two formulas. So note down these formulas. Now we take some important formula which is oftenly used in physics. First, we take sin 2 theta. So what is the formula of sin 2 theta? So sin 2 theta can be written as sin theta plus theta. So as you know, sin this theta is equal to A. This is corresponding to A. This is corresponding to B. So what will be value of sin 2 theta? So sin 2 theta can be written as theta plus theta, theta tends to theta equal to A, theta equal to B. So it can be remembered as we know sin A plus B. What will be the value of sin A plus B? Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So we can write like this: sin A means theta, cos B means theta, plus cos A means theta, sin B means theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. So this term comes to 2 times. So this can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. So this is the basic formula for sine 2 theta. Always remember this formula. This is very important according to physics point of view. So sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Similarly, we take another formula, cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta can be written as theta plus theta. So this theta corresponding to equal A and this theta corresponding to equal to B. So as we know, cos A plus B. So cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this can be written as cos A. A means theta, cos B. B means theta minus sin A. A means theta, B sin B theta. So from this formula you notice that cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this formula is also very important according to physics point of view. So this is sin 2 theta and this is cos 2 theta. Now we can further modified this formula as cos 2 theta equal to, as we know, cos square theta minus sin square theta. As we know, one basic formula in 10th class you read cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, because you read in 10th class cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this implies cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1 minus plus cos square theta. So this implies cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is one another formula of cos 2 theta, remembering these formulas. So like this we can derive another formula for cos 2 theta as, so first note down all these formulas by taking a screenshot or pause. So as we know, so we derive another formula for cos 2 theta. As we know, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the basic formula of cos 2 theta. So here we can write down cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, because all of you know cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So minus sin square theta. So this is equal to cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is another basic formula for calculating of cos 2 theta. So remembering all these three formula, so here we write, so cos 2 theta is equal to first cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second we write down cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So these are formulas for cos 2 theta. Always remembering these formulas. These formula can be used in problem according to situation which is given in our question. So note down all these formulas. Okay. So now we also derive a basic formula for calculating cos square theta and sin square theta. So from this formula, as we find that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. If we take minus 1 in LHS direction, then it becomes positive. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So this implies cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this is the formula for cos square theta. If we have to convert cos square theta in basic term like sin theta and cos theta, then we can write down cos square theta such as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2, or this formula is directly also used in various questions. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So note down all these formula. So for remembering all these formulas, guys, remembering only this formula. If you remember this formula, then you can derive any formula with the help of this formula. So the basic formula for calculating any other formula of cos 2 theta is this formula, and you know this formula is equal to cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. If you remember this formula, then you can derive any formula like this and this. Okay, so now we also derive another formula with the help of this. As we know, cos cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from here we take minus 2 sin square theta in LHS direction and cos 2 theta in right HH direction. So we can write 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. If we have to convert sin square theta in basic cos theta term, so with the help of this formula we can convert sin square theta into cos theta. So this formula is mainly used also in various questions. So you remember 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So guys, note down all these formula. Now we take some problem based on these formulas. Note down. Suppose we have to calculate the value of sine 15 degree. We take any question sine 15 degree. So how we calculate the value of sine 15 degree? Think and solve it with the help of these formulas. So guys, all think how we calculate the value of sine 15 degree. So now I solve. So as we know, the basic, we know only value of basic term, basic angles like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We don't know about the value of sine 15 degree. So how we can calculate the value of sine 15 degree? So we can write sine 15 degree sine 15 degree like this: 45 degree minus 30 degree. So as all of you know about the formula sine A minus B, this is equal to A and this is equal to B. As we know, sine A minus B, what is the formula of sine A minus B? Sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. All of you know. this formula. So here A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So we have to calculate the value of sine 15 degree, and 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30 degree. So 15 degree minus 30 degree can be equal to, here A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30 degree. So here we can write sine A means 45 degree, cos B means 30 degree. Sine A cos B minus cos A means 45 degree and B means sine 30 degree. Okay guys. So sine 45, what will be value of sine 45? Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. All of you know. And cos 30, as we know, smaller the angle in cos, larger the value. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 minus cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and sine 30 degree. And sine 30 degree is equal to, what will be sine 30? 1 by 2. So guys, sine 45 minus 10 degree equal to sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. So guys, value of sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So remember also this value for solving difficult problem in physics. So what will be value of sine 15 degree? Sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. So now you have to calculate the value of sine 75 degree. All of students solve this question before solving me. Solve this question. Take 2 minutes and find the answer of this question. So now I solve, and this question, as you know, sine 75 degree can be written as 45 plus 30 degree. So this is equal to, this is corresponding to A, this is corresponding to B. So as we know, sine A plus B, what will be formula of sine A plus B? As we know, sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So here guys, we have to write the value of A and B. Here A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So sine A plus B means 45 degree plus 30 degree. Here sine A means 45 degree, B means 30 degree, plus cos A means 45 degree, sine B means 30 degree. Okay. So this is equal to sine 75 degree. So sine 75 degree equal to, as you know, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to, cos smaller the angle, larger the value, as you know. So cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degree equal to cos 45 1 by root 2 and sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. So sine 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So all of students note this value. The sine 70, remember also this value. Sine 15 degree equal to root 3 minus 1 to root 2 and sine 45 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So all of students note this value. Now we take another question. Now we take another question. So we have to calculate the value of cos 15 degree. Cos 15 degree. So how we calculate the value of cos 15 degree? So all the students solve this question. So as you know, cos 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30 degree. Okay. So as you know, this is corresponding to A, this is corresponding to B. So as we know, cos A minus B. So what is the basic formula of for cos A minus B? As we know, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B, here negative, here positive, plus sin A sin B. So guys, cos 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. So here cos A corresponding to 45 degree, so cos 45 degree, B corresponding to 30 degree, cos 30 degree, plus sin A corresponding to 45 degree, sin 45 degree, and B corresponding to 30 degree, sin 30 degree. Okay. So cos 45 is equal to, as we know, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, plus sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2, and sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. So guys, cos 45 means cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So here you notice that this value is also equal to sin 75 degree. So it means cos 15 degree and sin 75 degree acquire same value. Okay. Now guys, we calculate value of cos 75 degree. So how we can calculate the value of cos 75 degree? So as we know, cos 75 degree is equal to, what will value of cos 75 degree? Cos 75 degree is equal to, can be written as cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay. So cos 45 plus 30 degree, so cos A plus B. So as we know, cos A plus B, cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. This value corresponding to A, this value corresponding to B. So here A is 45 degree, B is 30 degree. So it can be written as cos A plus B. So what will be basic formula for cos A plus B? As we know, cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B, here positive, here negative, minus sin A sin B. Okay guys. So cos A plus B and cos A minus B. So here A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So write down cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. So cos A means cos 45, B means cos 30 degree, minus sin A means sin 45 degree, and B sin 30 degree. Okay guys. So here cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, minus sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So guys, cos 75 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So you know this value is corresponding to equal to sin 15 degree. So sin 15 degree is equal to sin 15 degree is equal to sin 15 degree. So note down all these values. Okay, all of you note this value. Now we also calculate, now we also find some important angles value. So guys, here we calculate the value of, as all of you know, the value of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now we also calculate the value of sine larger angle like sine 120 degree, sine 135 degree, sine 150 degree, sine 225 degree, like this. We also calculate the value of smaller angle like sine 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree. So now here we calculate the value of angle 15 degree and 75 degree. Now we take a pair for right angle triangle. So there are various pairs for right angle triangle. We take one pair 3, 4, 5. This is a, if three sides of any triangle is given. If you given three sides of any triangle 3, 4, 5. So these three sides represent the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So here 3, 4, 5. One side is 3, second side is 4, and third side is 5. Okay guys, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. If you take this angle, so from if you take this angle, then this is equal to theta, then sine theta is equal to 4 by 5, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. So this angle is corresponding to 50. If we take this is equal to, if this side is 3, this side is 4, this side is 5, then the value of this angle is corresponding to sine theta. So 53 degree. Okay. If you take 3 as base, 4 as perpendicular, and 5 as hypotenuse, then this angle is equal to 53 degree and this angle is equal to 37 degree. If we take 57, this angle is equal to 53 degree, then what will be value of sine 50 degree? Remember these values, these angles are very important according to physics point of view. Sine 15 degree, what will be value of sine 15 degree? Sine theta is equal to base upon, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine 15 degree is equal to perpendicular equal to 4 and hypotenuse is equal to 5. So sine 15 degree is equal to 4 by 5. Always remember this value. Now what will value of cos 15 degree from this triangle? As we know, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So here base is equal to 3 and hypotenuse is equal to 5. So this value is corresponding to cos 15 degree. If we take tan 15 degree, so what will value of tan 15 degree? Tan 15 degree is equal to sine 15 degree. Yeah, from this triangle, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is equal to 4 and base is equal to 3. This value is corresponding to 15 degree. So always guys remember the value of sine 15 degree. You know sine 15 degree is equal to 4 by 5. Cos 15 degree 3 by 5. So larger the angle, smaller the value. So larger angle, smaller value. 15 degree 3 by 5. If we take 4 as base, 3 as perpendicular, if this side is equal to 4, this side is equal to 3, and this is hypotenuse, because all of you know 4 square 16, 3 square 19, 16 plus 19 is equal to 25, roots is equal to 5. So this side is equal to 5. Now this angle is corresponding to 37 degree. If this angle is 37 degree, then this angle is 15.3 degree. Here this angle is 15.3 degree. This angle is equal to 37 degree. Okay guys. So the value of this what will now here base is, if we take 37 degree angle for this triangle, then what will value of sine 37? Sine theta, as you know, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so sine 13/7 is equal to 3/5. Cos 37 is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is equal to 4 and hypotenuse is equal to 5. So this value is corresponding to cos 13/7, and tan 13/7 is equal to 3/4. Perpendicular upon perpendicular upon base, 3/4. So guys, remember all these values. So here we write down sine 37 is equal to cos sine 37 is equal to cos 15 degree equal to 4/5. Sorry, 3/5. Smaller the, as we know, smaller the angle in sine, smaller the value. Sine 37 degree, there is two value. One is 3/5 and second is 4/5. If angle is smaller in sine, then value will be smaller. So sine 37 is smaller as compared to 53 degree. So for sine 37 degree, smaller value 3/5. As we know, in cos smaller the angle, larger the value. Cos 53 degree is larger angle as compared to 37 degree. So larger the angle, smaller the value, 3/5. So you remember like this method. Now if we calculate sine 53 degree, larger the angle, larger the value. Larger value is 4/5 and equal to cos 37 degree. Smaller angle, in cos smaller the angle, larger the value, which is equal to 4/5. Tan 37, tan angle, smaller the angle, smaller value, 3/4. Cos tan 53 degree, larger the angle, larger value, 4/3. So guys, remember these angles also. These are very important angles according to physics. So these, if three sides are given 3, 4, 5, these sides represent right angle triangle.